how to whisk up the perfect waffles. Hey foodies, ever dreamed of starting your day with perfectly golden fluffy waffles? Well, today's your day. Grab your aprons because we're about to blend, pour, and laugh our way to waffle perfection. Here's what you'll need. 2 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half a teaspoon salt, 2 large eggs, 1 1/4 cups milk, 1/3 cup melted butter, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. In a large bowl, combine the dry ingredients, flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. In another, whisk together the eggs, milk, melted butter, and vanilla. Slowly pour the wet mix into the dry, stir until smooth, and voila! Your magical waffle batter awaits. Heat your waffle iron to golden perfection. Ladle in the batter, close the lid, and let the magic happen. Once you see that amazing golden brown glow, your waffle is ready to shine. Stack them up and top with syrup, whipped cream, or berries. You do you. What are you waiting for? It's time to treat yourself to these joyful homemade waffles. Hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious recipes. Let's spread the waffle love together. Enjoy.